Google Associate Data Practitioner exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. A data engineering team needs to implement a solution for capturing real-time message streams from various global sensors. The solution must support asynchronous communication and scale automatically to handle spikes in data volume without manual intervention. Which Google Cloud service is most appropriate for this ingestion layer? A. Cloud storage. B. Pub, Sub. C. BigQuery. D. Dataflow. The answer is B. Pub, Sub is a globally distributed messaging service designed specifically for high-scale, asynchronous data ingestion and event streaming. It decouples the senders and receivers of data, allowing for independent scaling and increased system resilience. By using a publish-subscribe model, it can efficiently manage thousands of concurrent message streams from diverse geographical locations. The service automatically manages infrastructure, ensuring that sudden bursts in sensor activity are handled without performance degradation or data loss. Consequently, it serves as the foundational buffer for real-time analytics pipelines before data is processed by downstream tools like Dataflow or BigQuery. A company wants to store large volumes of structured data and perform complex SQL-based analytical queries with minimal latency. They require a fully managed, serverless data warehouse that separates storage and compute to optimize costs. Which service should be recommended? A. Cloud SQL. B. Cloud Spanner. C. Bigtable. D. BigQuery. The answer is D. BigQuery is Google Cloud's premier serverless data warehouse designed for large-scale data analysis using standard SQL syntax. It utilizes a unique architecture that separates storage and compute, allowing users to pay for what they store and the queries they actually run. This separation enables massive horizontal scaling, making it possible to analyze petabytes of data in seconds without managing any underlying hardware. Unlike traditional relational databases, BigQuery is optimized for OLAP workloads, providing built-in machine learning and geospatial analysis capabilities. It is the ideal choice for organizations looking to derive business intelligence from vast datasets without the overhead of database administration. When designing a data pipeline, you need to ensure that sensitive information such as personally identifiable information, PII, is not stored in plain text in your data warehouse. What is the most effective way to automate the discovery and masking of this data during the ingestion process? A. Cloud Identity and Access Management, IAM. B. Cloud Data Loss Prevention, DLP. C. Cloud Key Management Service, KMS. D. Resource Manager. The answer is B. Cloud Data Loss Prevention, DLP, provides powerful tools to automatically identify, inspect, and redact sensitive information within various data streams. It uses a vast library of built-in info types to detect patterns like credit card numbers, social security identifiers, and names across structured or unstructured data. By integrating DLP into the ingestion pipeline, organizations can mask or tokenize sensitive fields before they ever reach permanent storage. This proactive approach significantly reduces the risk of data breaches and helps maintain compliance with global privacy regulations such as GDPR or HIPAA. It ensures that data remains useful for analysis while protecting the privacy of the individuals involved. An organization needs to migrate a large Apache Hadoop cluster to Google Cloud while maintaining compatibility with open-source tools like Spark, Hive, and Pig. Which managed service provides the easiest path for this migration with the least amount of operational overhead? A. Compute Engine. B. Dataproc. C. Dataflow. D. BigQuery. The answer is B. Dataproc is a fully managed service for running Apache Spark, Flink, and Hadoop clusters in a highly efficient and cost-effective manner. It allows organizations to move their existing on-premises Hadoop workloads to the cloud without rewriting their core processing logic or scripts. By automating cluster creation, configuration, and scaling, Dataproc removes the administrative burden typically associated with managing big data infrastructure. It integrates seamlessly with other Google Cloud services like Cloud Storage and BigQuery, enabling a modern hybrid or cloud-native data architecture. This makes it the preferred solution for teams that are already invested in the Hadoop ecosystem and want to leverage cloud elasticity. In the context of BigQuery ML, which clause is used to define the specific algorithm and settings for training a new machine learning model directly within the data warehouse? A. Create model. B. Transform. C. Options. D. Predict. The answer is C. In BigQuery ML, the "options" clause is essential because it specifies the model type and hyperparameters required for the training process. Within this clause, users define whether they want to use linear regression, logistic regression, k-means clustering, or other supported algorithms. It also allows for the configuration of specific training behaviors, such as the target label column, maximum iterations, and learning rate. By using standard SQL syntax combined with these options, data analysts can build and deploy models without moving data out of BigQuery. This streamlines the machine learning workflow and enables faster iteration between data preparation and model evaluation. A data scientist needs to perform exploratory data analysis and visualize results in an interactive, web-based environment that supports Python and SQL. Which Google Cloud tool is designed for this collaborative, notebook-based experience? A. Looker. B. Vertex AI Workbench. C. Data Catalog. D. Cloud Shell. The answer is B. Vertex AI Workbench provides a single development environment for the entire data science workflow, offering Jupyter-based notebooks that are fully integrated with Google Cloud services. It allows users to query data directly from BigQuery, run processing jobs on Dataproc, and train models using Vertex AI without switching contexts. The environment supports popular frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn, making it highly versatile for various machine learning tasks. Collaborative features enable teams to share notebooks and track experiments, fostering a more efficient development lifecycle. Ultimately, it serves as the primary interface for data practitioners to explore data and build sophisticated AI solutions. You are optimizing a BigQuery environment and want to reduce query costs and improve performance for frequently accessed datasets that are partitioned by date. Which technique should you use to ensure users only scan the relevant data? A. Clustering. B. Partitioning. C. Materialized views. D. Denormalization. The answer is B. Partitioning in BigQuery involves dividing a large table into smaller segments based on a specific column, such as a timestamp or an integer range. When a query includes a filter on the partition column, BigQuery can prune the irrelevant partitions and only scan the data that matches the criteria. This significantly reduces the amount of data processed, which directly lowers the cost of the query and decreases execution time. It is a fundamental best practice for managing large-scale time series data or logs where users typically query specific time ranges. By combining partitioning with clustering, users can achieve even greater performance gains for complex analytical workloads. When building a data pipeline with Dataflow, what is the primary advantage of using a streaming execution mode compared to batch execution? A. Lower storage costs. B. Reduced processing complexity. C. Faster insights from data as it arrives. D. Better integration with BigQuery. The answer is C. Streaming execution in Dataflow is designed to process data in near real-time, allowing organizations to react to events as they happen rather than waiting for periodic batch intervals. This mode is crucial for use cases like fraud detection, real-time dashboards, and system monitoring where latency is a critical factor. Dataflow uses the Apache Beam programming model, which provides a unified approach for both batch and streaming, simplifying the development process. By handling late-arriving data and windowing logic automatically, streaming pipelines ensure high accuracy even in unpredictable data environments. This capability transforms raw data into actionable intelligence with minimal delay, providing a competitive edge in fast-paced industries. An organization wants to implement a centralized metadata management service that allows users to discover, manage, and understand their data assets across different Google Cloud projects. Which service should they use? A. Dataplex. B. Cloud storage. C. IAM. D. Cloud logging. The answer is A. Dataplex is an intelligent data fabric that provides a unified management layer for data distributed across various lakes, warehouses, and databases. It automatically scans and catalogs metadata, making it easy for data scientists and analysts to discover relevant datasets through a centralized interface. Beyond discovery, it enables consistent security policies and data governance across the entire organization, ensuring that data is used responsibly. Dataplex also provides tools for data quality monitoring and lineage tracking, which are essential for maintaining trust in analytical results. By abstracting the underlying storage details, it allows teams to focus on deriving value from data rather than managing its location. To improve the performance of a BigQuery query that involves many small files being transferred from Amazon S3, what strategy should be implemented using the storage transfer service? A. Increase the memory of the destination bucket. B. Use parallel transfer jobs with include, exclude prefixes. C. Convert all files to CSV format before transfer. D. Use a single large transfer agent. The answer is B. When dealing with a large volume of small files, the overhead of managing individual transfers can become a bottleneck, potentially exceeding allocated time frames. By creating parallel transfer jobs using include and exclude prefixes, you can effectively shard the data transfer process across multiple concurrent paths. This horizontal scaling approach maximizes the utilization of network bandwidth and reduces the total time required to complete the migration. It is a cost-effective solution because it leverages the native capabilities of the storage transfer service without requiring additional compute infrastructure. This strategy is particularly effective for large-scale migrations from S3 to cloud storage where performance and efficiency are paramount.